There you go. We have trailers blown over in Costco right where I was when I started the first video. And I decided to move to the other side of the parking lot because I didn't like this corner. There they are. I want to show you another one here. Look at it leaning. That's not one of ours. Those are outside carriers, a couple of them brought in. But look at the lean. It's laying on another trailer. This trailer right here, 082185, this is my empty trailer. This is where I was when I started the video, and I moved. Thank God I unhooked and moved. That is my trailer that I dropped. When I dropped the trailer and went and hid, my trailer was on its wheels. It is no longer. Look at. That's how far that trailer moved. That trailer right there was parked in this spot. Sorry, I got off focus. I was making sure I didn't run into anybody. I want to come around and show you these. There's my trailer laying on its side. And there's the two outside carriers. Look at that. Thank God I unhooked and moved. And it's not over. Look at, here comes another round. Back to talk to you guys later.